Are you stuck at a 9-to-5 job that you're not very fond of? Or better said, you downright hate it and hate wasting your time? Are you looking for a new, easy, better way to make $100 a day? Then why not do it online? I mean, the internet is the foremost money-making machine of the 21st century, some of which definitely won't take you 8 hours a day. So, let's take a look at what I have in mind, shall we? Genuine and creative ways to make $100 a day online. Paid surveys. Another straightforward online side hustle for you to make easy plutocrat is doing paid checks. Did you know that there are lots of spots out there that offer you to take checks and also pay you for them? Granted, it's not the most profitable adventure, but it's worth giving it a shot since it's so easy if you're worried about the legitimacy of this kind of income. Don't be. Paid surveys are perfectly legitimate and they're used by thousands of businesses out there. Granted, it's not the most profitable venture, but it's worth giving it a shot since it's so easy and available. If you're worried about the legitimacy of this kind of income, don't be. Paid surveys are perfectly legitimate and they're used by thousands of businesses out there. Companies need opinions from users and buyers in order to improve their products and services, as well as to create new ones, and the internet allows them to reach people who can provide them with reliable data, people they otherwise wouldn't have the chance to reach. Yes, that's where you come in. A paid survey is basically giving your opinion on a service or product and getting paid for it. All you have to do is sign up, for free, on a paid online survey site and start earning money. But be wary of scam sites that ask you to pay in order to use their surveys. Swagbucks $100 DPLLARS a day. Okay, but how do I know which sites are reliable when it comes to paid surveys? Here's my selection of some of the best sites you can visit to get some extra cash from surveys. Survey Junkie. This is one of the easiest, most straightforward survey sites on the web. It's a free membership site where you can earn up to $50 per survey. You'll get your first paid survey offer as soon as you sign up and you can take it when you're ready. Survey Junkie has an A rating with the Better Business Bureau and millions of members worldwide. You can redeem your points instantly for cash to your bank account, or via PayPal or e-gift cards. Swagbucks. This is arguably the most popular paid survey site in the world. Every time you take a survey, you also earn Swagbuck points, which you can later use to redeem gift cards or cash. Swagbucks also offers you other activities such as web searching, playing games, and watching videos. Depending on the survey and the activity you do on Swagbucks, you'll be able to earn between $2 and $50 per survey. Branded surveys, one of the most popular surveys in market research platforms that pay people for their opinions. It's a great opportunity to work from home and make money by doing surveys from the comfort of your own home. Join now for free, become a member and start earning today. Toluna. Toluna is a paid survey site that works with big brands like Coca-Cola, Amazon, Kellogg's, L'Oreal, Sony Music, Fiat, and many more. It's very attractive because it allows you to pick topics you like so you can have more fun doing the surveys. You can receive payment from them in cash or through vouchers. Also, they recently introduced their games section, which allows you to play games and earn money. Thanks for watching.